After 35 years in the powder coating industry, this expert knows a thing or two about problem solving. He's worked as a consultant with coders around the world. He takes a hands-on common sense approach to today's discussion on who's calling the shots for us in this industry. For instance, what do we call ourselves? Should we be forging manifest destiny to the industry, or should we continue to strive for our own unique individual path? Could the industry workforce problem be solved through inclusiveness and diversity within the custom coder community? We troubleshoot some real-world problems as we ponder our identity, workforce and training, and our development as a whole with potential outcomes for the future. Get ready to level up your powder coder game!